Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing Qinux Talkbuds, a wireless earbuds that claim to translate over 140 languages in real time, offline and without subscriptions. But can they really make you sound like a native speaker, or is just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. Qinux promises offline translation, native-like speech, and app-free operation. But this is not real. Those claims contradict each other. You actually need their app to function, and the Wi-Fi required is not entirely accurate. The idea that you will speak like a native is misleading at best. Even top AI translator can't replicate tone, slang, or cultural context. And the same earbud are sold on sites like Alibaba for a fraction of the cost. That is a classic dropshipping in action. Reviews online are vague and overly positive, with no real user experiences to back them up. Here is the bottom line. Qinix Talkbuds may offer basic translations, but the bold claims are exaggerated and the trust factor is low. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.